All right, so it has been a few days since market open, and I haven't analyzed. As you guys can see, some stuff's going on, but I'm gonna take us back to market open Sunday, break down all the trades I took, because I did take a few trades. Got close to blowing the account. Can't lie, can't lie. Gonna be just completely transparent and honest. But so this is market open. Boom. And just I'll just keep that on. So market opened. Remember we had this trend line here. Yeah, here to no. Here to here. And then when price opened, we saw a tap all the way up here. I entered somewhere here, mad position. I had a few positions. One closed down here, other was all the way down here. I'm pretty sure right here. My key mistake in this was not taking out once price got here, because I saw no clear confirmation price was breaking below this area. So once price got here, I was at least, I'd say 1.5 thousand in profit. Then it got all the way swept back up. Boom, lost all of that. It was very upsetting, because I saw those big numbers. I'm like, bro, I could get more, but price was at an area where I don't know if it could give me more. So hindsight bias, of course, would have took that out, but it's a great learning opportunity for me to see what happened and how to prevent it in the future. So I didn't enter here off this buy. I lost on some sells here. Could have entered here for a buy, but I lost on some sells, selling down for some reason. Even though, and here, I changed my bias a little bit. Had the price going up, and then I'm like, okay, it got here. And once it got here, I entered again. This was a crazy part of the week. I entered here. Oh, that was jittery. Entered here. Stop loss like right here. TP right there. Great risk to reward, right? Enter off the push down. Price got here and immediately couldn't break through. Price got here before, once, twice, 3 times, and broke below. So now I'm gonna see it. I'm gonna think it's gonna break below. Had another TP down here. But once price got here, I saw some rejection candles. This huge push up. I exited, entered for a buy. Boom, exited, entered for a sell. Boom, entered for a sell, got all the way back up, entered for a buy. It was back and forth, right? So I just didn't enter there. Boom, price got all the way down here, right? Next day, Tuesday. And we can also take a look at the sessions as well, because I was looking at the sessions too. So this was something that was surprising, because the reason I was so firm on it continuing to go down is because the sessions. Asian was down, so I was expecting London to be down. But once London got here, it was at a point where price would reject. So what did it do? It rejected. Higher low. Push all the way up. New York continued it. Straight path, right? So once it got here, Asian created it. London. And then here is where I entered again. Here. Entered for a sell. Right, somewhere here, it was one of these. I had a sell going on. I just know the position looked something like this. Had a sell. TP1 here, and TP2 was somewhere here. I'm pretty sure I entered again somewhere. No, it was just these two. And TP2 was there. Both got hit. And as price got back here, I didn't make the same mistake. Didn't keep it holding. Let price retrace back up. But the thing is, when price got here, I anticipated it to continue breaking down after this strong push down. I thought price would continue pushing down, but that wasn't the case, and price bounced up off some strong news. So I entered for a buy. No. my initial bias was price coming down, coming back up, and then coming down. I entered for a buy here, right here. Entered for a buy, had a pending trade, stop loss right below this low. Price came down, wicked me out, and then continued back. Continued all the way up. Great trade following the plan. Because I know once price gets here, it usually bounces up. And I had the bias of it coming back up, retracing, and then slapping back down. As price got here, I had a pending trade here as well. I had a pending trade here, stop loss here, but I removed it once I saw price just heavily pushing up. I want to see a sign of weakness before I entered. So, looking here, price pushed all the way back, pushed all the way up, came down. I was just entering off any weakness I was willing to enter, and I moved my. Just saw that I was entering, so I entered here, and I was not touching the trade. I learned from my lesson, and it was this trade that actually got me back in because I was very close to my max loss limit because of this flip-flopping here. But once I stuck to my guts, stuck to my bias, stuck to my trade, was when I saw the return. So entered here, price came back up, entered again here, had another trade here, TP down here, entered somewhere earlier, I'm pretty sure, somewhere here, I think it was here, TP, stop loss here, and through there, TP got smashed. Price continued pushing down. I saw this lower high. Once I saw price create a lower high, after creating another lower high here, a higher time frame lower high, right? Boom, stop down, push up, continuing down. Once I saw that, and this hourly close off of this strong push up, a lot of indecision here. Straight push down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and about to be 7 hours straight pushing down. Like after the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like I'm confident it's pushing down. We haven't seen a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 straight pushing down. We've seen 1, 2, 3, and then weak. We see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a little weak, but it pushes all the way up. Shows us that it might go up, but then pushes all the way down. So we also see strong moving average crossover. Yeah, strong push down. I'm confident price is gonna get down here, probably even lower as well. But I'm gonna keep my TP down here. Tomorrow's Thursday. Just let it rock, see how it moves. So that was the trades for gold. Gonna remove this. Already hit that in like 15 minutes as well. Entered that, and like 1 15-minute candlestick got a set trade. Looking on to GA, I had some good trades on GA. Had some good intraday trades. Had this trade here. No, I didn't. Where was it? When price was here, I actually wanted to enter here. For a buy, but I was so focused on gold, I didn't even look at it. But I'm pretty sure I had a buy here, but it got stopped down, so I exited like around here. A little bit of negative, but it wasn't a crazy trade. Yeah, this is gonna be our first good trade for GA, just trading down to the next level. Just off of this quick counter trendline break, retest, and just a little bit of structure, like just entering off of that. So bias looking forward for GA. Want to see a break of this area, honestly. We're seeing 3 straight 4-hour candlesticks of bearish price structure. And gold, I'm pretty sure we might close by the end of the week at least down here. We're at least getting down to where our TP is. 3,200. Yeah, I'm confident we're gonna get to this level at least because price is just flushing down, just flushing. At this point, I'm definitely gonna move my TP to just break even. No point in having it at even risk negative. You know, I'm just gonna let price keep moving though. Um, yeah, we're probably gonna go even lower than this. I might do what I said before, take off a lot of the trade and just let it continue moving. Because we've seen huge selling days like this, huge selling days. This could be another huge selling day that we see from gold. We're starting off very, very strong, and the Asian session barely even started. I'm pretty sure. I don't know how do I save this? I don't think. Oh, hold on. I was just about to say. I knew it. These thieves. Why can't I save a plan? Bro. Alright, anyways. I don't even know what I was saying. Oh yeah. Asian session barely even started. Right? Like barely even started. We're already pushing down like this. The Asian time with the new London, I'm confident that's gonna send us soaring down. Right, so yeah, that's what we're looking for. Yeah, great week, good week. We closed really negative, but now we're back where we started plus more because of the two gold trades I had. This trade that's looking not too shabby. The very this is almost a scalping trade, like a scalp trade, but it's very intraday, very intraday. This trade is also intraday, knowing how gold works, knowing how gold moves, the volatility it has. Starting off like this, I'm confident. So that's what we got for this week, or just for now. I'm gonna keep looking as for tomorrow. Probably gonna take a lot off this trade and just leave it be a runner. So yeah, that's what we're looking for. Yeah.